Good morning. Today we are going to learn some tricks to solve pedigree analysis problems. In the last video I have uploaded the symbols. So once you learned the symbols, tricks will become very easy to solve pedigree analysis problems. There are 4 tricks. In this video I am uploading the first trick to solve pedigree analysis problems. To solve pedigree analysis problems, there are 4 tools. We need to learn the inheritance pattern. First one is autosomal dominant. Second one, autosomal recessive. Third one, sex-linked dominant and sex-linked recessive. So in this video, I am uploading trick to solve autosomal recessive. Observe the second one, autosomal recessive. So let us focus on autosomal recessive. Observe the pedigree chart now. For example, this is the given chart. Clearly observe the chart and focus on shaded as well as non-shaded region. You already know shaded region means affected and non-shaded means unaffected. In this chart, if you clearly observe, in the first generation, one son is affected and one daughter is affected. Observe that red circle part. Son is affected and daughter is also affected in first generation. Observe the parents. Parents are not affected. See, in first generation, son is affected, daughter is affected. But parents are not affected. Even in second generation, son is affected. One son is affected. Now observe the trick. See, this is the complete chart. If you see, in first generation, one son is affected, one daughter is affected. And even in second generation, one son is affected. But observe the parents. A slight orange and green color have marked parents unaffected. If you clearly observe the chart, you can notice parents are not affected. So this is the trick. Actual trick is parents are not affected, but observe the first and second generation, children are affected. One son, one daughter, and in the last generation, one son is affected. So this is the clue to solve pedigree problem. So this type of condition is autosomal recessive. So the condition is autosomal recessive. The trick is parents are not affected, but children are affected. So the trick is to find out autosomal recessive. You can clearly see parents are unaffected, children are affected. And you can see parents are unshaded region and children shaded region. So shaded already you know it indicates affected one. Write down the chart so it will be very easy to remember. So you can easily trace out autosomal recessive. And in the next video I'll show you how to find out autosomal dominant. And once you find out autosomal dominant and autosomal recessive, then easily we can trace out and we can learn about sex-linked dominant and sex-linked recessive. Once you learned all the 4 tricks, you can easily solve all the pedigree related problems. Thank you.